Hey, good people, this is your boy Larry Jones again. Welcome to Stock Up. For those of you that are new, hit the like button. More importantly, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. I'm going to keep saying that because I want to get to 50,000. So let's kick this thing off right. So this is going to be a short video. We're going to talk about NIO's Q3 earnings report. As you guys know that our family already, I'm not in a rush to get the first video out. That's not me. I don't do all my stock pick on hype stocks, but NIO, I have a position in. And I just wanted to give you a brief overview of what was discussed in the third quarter earnings, right? And how it should affect your stock decisions, even as soon as tomorrow, right? So let's go over a few numbers, right? So NIO delivered 12,000 vehicles this quarter, right? Q3. And they delivered 7,000 more than Q3 of last year. Yes, I'm reading notes. So if I look like this, y'all know what I said before. I ain't cross at it, so quit tripping. All right, so they beat last year's quarter by about 22%. Sales was up 146% over Q3 of last year. They delivered 666 million in revenue. Now, y'all know that's enough. That's too many sixes for your boy. Like, really? All 3 sixes back to back? I mean, I'm glad this report didn't come out last Friday, the 13th. But anyway, that's where we are. They had a net loss of 154, which was a decrease by 58% over Q3 of 2019. Yeah. So what I think is going on with NIO is it's a great company. I really do like NIO for a lot of the reasons that I stated in my earlier videos. And I think that they are in this spurt of growth where Tesla was, where the numbers just don't make sense compared to what the company is valued at. And I'm going to do another video. I'm going to try to release 2 videos tonight, like back to back. The next video coming up is going to be comparing Tesla to NIO to Xpeng. Shogun, or however y'all pronounce it. And I'm say Xpeng because I've heard 15 different, ways to pronounce the stock. But it's a Chinese EV company, as you guys well know, right? And so what I think going forward with NIO is I think NIO, the hype wasn't enough. I think it's down right now, after hours, the market is closed. Let's see exactly how much is down, right? So NIO, the market is closed after market trading is done, and NIO is down 86%. It's 45.73. So it didn't do anything. It was it was really nothing. I mean, it was a good report, but it was, a lot of people, if you watch the stock, it started dropping soon as the market closed. For those of you know, buy the news, sell the rumor. That means that when a big announcement is coming, like a stock is building up a lot of hype, then you buy in and let the hype run the stock up. And then you sell before the announcement. That's an old a Hail Mary play called buy the rumor, sell the news, right? And so that's what you do. I've done it a lot of times, gotten out. Sometimes the stock continue to run up after I sold it. And a lot of times it'll fall down from a sell-off. So that's a play that I use short term to make some quick grabs, right? Some get in, get out, grab money and get out and make money off of the hype. And so that's why I don't just concentrate on hype stock like some other, I don't like to talk bad about other YouTubers, but some of them are just hype, and especially these kids that just in it, they're screaming at you. Ah, ah, ah. And I'm like, man, really, dude, just talk to me. Don't yell at me. Just talk to me. But we try to make money here at Stock Up, and we try to make really good conscious decisions, right? And what I do like about NIO is for the reasons that I stated in some of my earlier videos. The Chinese government wants 25%, and I'm going to keep saying that because that's huge, of all Chinese EVs to be electric vehicles. In China, I mean, they're doubling in sales. They're doubling the market share, EVs over gas engines. And they're going to make it impossible after a while. California is starting to do the same thing for you to buy a gas vehicle. And for those of you that still invested in oil, that's cool. There's money to be made in oil, but you need to be transitioning out of oil and getting into the EV market because you want to be in early. NIO is one of those companies that is just going to just continue to grow over the years. It is. There's money to be made in NIO. If you buy it now, if you buy it Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday of this week, and you hold it till next year, it's going to be, I'm talking Q1 of next year, it's going to be worth more then. I mean, they just keep blowing out their numbers with deliveries, the market share. And a lot of analysts say where they think it's going to be in profit. I think they'll be in profit by the end of 2023. I think they'll be profitable because they don't have the build out like Tesla had. There's so much technology that's out there. There's been a ramp up in technology. So they don't have to reinvent the wheel on a lot of this stuff that they're doing. And their battery, the way that they swap out the batteries, and then they have batteries that are getting longer in range, and their therm charge, their kilowatt is getting less and less. The how much it costs is getting less and less. So they're lowering their costs, they're lowering their losses, and then their revenues are starting to grow. And then how many vehicles they're delivering is growing. So NIO is set to make us a lot of money. I got in at 30-ish, so I'm good. Now I double down at 35, so I'm good. So if it drops $1 or $2, who cares? It's going to continue to grow. I made a video before this, and there was a lot of things that could have happened. One of the things I think that happened that helped NIO was the inclusion of Tesla to the S&P 500. That is huge. Now, everybody owns. When you buy the S&P 500, you're buying Tesla. When you buy ARK Investment, you're buying Tesla. Tesla is everywhere, right? Tesla is like a germ. It's everywhere, And so I would say NIO is a great company. I'm just glad nothing bad happened. That's what usually happens before these earnings report lately. There's always bad news and the stock tanks, or they didn't meet their numbers and the stock tanks and the analysts start setting the prices lower and lower and lower. But NIO, those of you that got it, you'll be fine. Those of you that want to buy NIO, I know I made a video before this cautioning you, wait till afterwards. Now it looks like it's safe to buy. And when you do buy, and if you do buy, hold long. This stock will make you money. So I want you guys to hit the like button. But before you go, I want to tell you something very important, right? Two things I want to tell you that's important. One is right behind this video, you look up in that corner right there, and it's going to be a video and I'm going to suggest which is a better buy for you, not the vehicle itself, but the stock. NIO, XPeng, or Chopin, or Tesla. I'm gonna suggest which stock I think is the best to buy at this point. Okay, so that's going to be the next video. I want everybody viewing me to watch this video afterwards. I'm going to put a link up there. One of the things I want to share with you guys, because I always like to leave a little tidbit at the end, is this. The S&P, the Dow, and all of that was down, right? But I was up 10% over my entire portfolio. And for those of you that are new, you're saying, well, that's 10%. I was up 10% today. Now that could be 10% of $1,000. That could be 10% of $50,000. That could be 10% of $100,000. You do the math. All of my stock were green except one. And the reason I said that is because I'm not just into hype stock. I'm diversified, but what I did was I built a portfolio that was long, stock that's just going to make money over time. And I keep telling you guys about making long-term investing sexy again. I'm going to wear that hat. Let's make long-term investing sexy again. All right. And so you guys are asking me, I can hear you right now. I hear all you guys. What stock are those? They're all in my videos. Just go to my page and look. I give you a breakdown. I gave you 5 days of 7 different videos. Then I gave you a top 4. Then I gave you another 4. Just look at the videos because I give you an in-depth. I did all the study for you guys. All you got to do is watch the videos and make money. Come on, fam. Make some money. All right. I'm going to leave it right there. And remember, I want you to hit the like button, subscribe button, and the notification bell. But I want you to view this video next. This video right here. I want you to click this. After you click the like button, and for those of you that's not subscribed, do the subscribe and the notification bell. But hit this video right behind here, and we see you guys next time. Peace.